So now what we're going to do is we're going to reset the program in our Bluetooth color changing fixture. In order to do this, you want to initially turn on the fixture and leave it on for at least a minute. It kind of wakes the fixture up. After it's been on for over a minute, we're going to shut it off for 5 seconds, turn it on for 15, and we're going to do that for 4 cycles. Once that happens, the fixture will then begin to flash. So here we go, 5 off. 15 on. 5 off. 15 on. 5 off. 15 on. 5 off. 15 on. 5 off. Now it should begin to flash shortly. There it is. That's letting us know that the memory has been wiped, it's reset, it drops into this default color, and now it's ready to be programmed and picked up from the next device.